Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can customize your toolbar in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. So let us begin with a quick explanation of what the toolbar here is in the web browser. It is the area here to the left and to the right of the URL address bar and may contain, for example, tools and buttons like the home button, the refresh button, the extensions button, and other tools like your profile or account button. And of course, you can add more of these tools and buttons to that list to make to gain access to these tools directly through these buttons. And this is how you can do it, guys. What you'll need to do is right-click into that area here next to your open tabs, not into your open tab themselves, but into that area here, and select the lowermost option, which is Customize Toolbar. And then you will be redirected to that menu here. So from here, you may simply, there's that explanation, drag your favorite tools or items to the toolbar with your left mouse. As you can see, if I hover my mouse over the given tool, the cursor changes into that hand icon. So left click into the given tool and move it to your toolbar and place it, for example, here, or place it here, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to remove it, right click into it and select remove from toolbar. And that's how it works, guys. As you can see, not difficult at all. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and I'll see you next time on our channel.